Alright, this is a repair for Model Y door. That kind of clicks. You hear it kind of hitting in here when you close it every time, and then it's not doing it now, but it really, you can hear it squeak when you open it. And first I thought it was the windows, but it's not. It's actually down here. This little bolt is loose, so the whole door is slanted out. So if you pull it, you can see it kind of moved. See, that's where it was. Pull it here and tighten that bolt down, and then it fixes the issue. Hope this helps someone else. I've been having this go on for a long time.